North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum has voiced serious concern over recurring power outages across the constituency, saying the distributions were causing widespread inconvenience to residents. Speaking to the media, the MLA questioned the reasons behind the frequent load shedding throughout the day and even during late hours. He said such irregular power supply was particularly affecting students currently appearing for their examinations. Adelbert Nongrum said he had sought clarification from Power Minister Medba Alingdo and had also sent a written communication through email urging the department and its officials to take immediate corrective measures. He maintained that citizens were entitled to raise questions, especially since they regularly paid their dues, and asked whether the issue was confined to North Shillong or was being experienced across the state. If the problem was specific to his constituency, he asked why such targeted disruptions were taking place. The MLA called upon the Power Department to take prompt action, stating that he did not want the public to face undue hardship. He stressed that officials in responsible positions must address the matter seriously and appealed to the Power Minister to look into the concerns raised by the affected residents.
Inahaman mat kapta magbide ba problem jong ka power disruption. Bali ini ijimpen dik pentur yakim lang kasalang lembaga jing lip light kari hateng boro sipang menme ru untuk ke kadau ke exact reason. Ngane tu ipi mentara singa yo kanya keren but honorable Power Minister Medba Alingdo lembaga phone berkunjung layo pa lembaga email ya ka presentation ke jonga ya ka pangit scam and tentu ya ka department lembaga kita ki responsible person, be it the officers, be it the engineers. Ngaku apan kali ini problem ibarat kena basic necessity jong way po way jong ka way po nong song ni don hok baliyo namar balik yak pun deb hok ban si hok ka khai sana namar sadao ngabu ka jingkali balik bagani ka power disruption lagadai tang po konstruksi jonga negadai sikui wi ki konstruksi negadai se boro ko wi jona lagadai tang konstruksi jonga hapan bu ka jingkali. Why? Who's responsible for this? Whoever responsible, they are supposed to be fixed responsible. Amar kada wa kentu bana kerpa lembai honorable Power Minister Soba Shimkhya ya ka issue but address immediately. Amar gem kwa bani iu na songsinong ken suffer ken ma ya jinge ngam ko pan ken tho ni ga bat shimru ni ga kabu maybe don ki concerned person ki brana shugi haga department maybe can perform katkum ka responsibility kabla pensya ki ne yo kim mon makin try ga kam ne maybe yo kim don kata capacity, prove yourself. Ashim ini ga lan ne upor ban kitu saisian ya you honorable Power Minister Mansuga Shimkhya kindly take it on serious concern about these pertinent issues facing by general public, not only my constituency, maybe the state as a whole.
In the meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the ongoing power shutdowns in Shillong and Tura, including Jowai, are regulated outages necessitated by the implementation of the Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme or Rdss. These measures, Conrad Sangma noted, are aimed at strengthening power distribution, reducing technical losses, and improving the reliability of electricity supply across the state of Meghalaya.
Dear friends, in the recent past, I've been receiving some messages from the public concerned about the frequent shutdowns that are taking place in the power supply in different locations like Shillong, Tura, Jowai, and other locations. and people are concerned why this kind of load shedding is taking place. I wanted to clarify to the people that this is not a load shedding. This is a regulated shutdown, and the main purpose of the shutdown is to implement the Rdss scheme, where close to 2,600 new transformers are being either replaced or being installed. 3,800 kilometers of old wires are being replaced. 4,300 kilometers of new lines are being laid. This is a 900 crore project, and implementation is going on. And for that to happen, the shutdown is necessary. We are ensuring that we minimize it, and we're also ensuring that we communicate to the people. But there is a communication gap where the message is not going to the grassroots. And I have requested MECL and Power Department to ensure that a better communication system is done so that information can reach to the people on time. But I just wanted to clarify that this is a necessary procedure. There will be slight inconvenience, but this is being done for the larger interest of more stable power in the future and for the larger interest of the people and the state.